Here, I'll put you on JB on the Peshtigo River out in the middle of nowhere. There it is. Nice. Holy, that was a jump. Good thing I got the camera on. Yeah. I was gonna come do the underwater show, but wow, nice. Unhook her, then you can show me. Then you can give me a better picture of it, holding it up. Get on this side, get out away from the sun. It's the sun, go to the right. Right there, yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. You can see it better from down here, you know. But I better double check to make sure it's running. Hold on. Yep. Let it run for 3 minutes, JB. Yeah. Nice. Nice. You caught it right on the edge of that, eh? Right where you're saying, basically? Yeah. Just pulling it through, eh? Oh, that was a good 3-4 foot. Oh, holy crap. Yeah, not huge. But it just about took the pull on my hand because I wasn't ready for it. I was just shut in the bail and the sucker was there. 14. What do you got? And Mikey's little one. Everybody take a look. No, as soon as that thing hit the water, basically I shut the bail and it slammed it as I picked up the rod. Set. Go. Got one. little one. Oh, 15. I was not expecting that. There's a big one. Spitting out crayfish. That can be done. Yeah, except for when he's really close. he was not coming off. Holy shit. Holy frick. Mm-hmm. There. Still front. We basically, didn't even hold it? Basically, this sucks, this spot. You keep moving, but yeah, oh, that thing just fat. Mm-hmm. Really?
Yeah. Thanks, Michael.
No,
Drop him back in.
no, go ahead. It all works the same. That's a nice one. I'll take it.
It's bigger, it's smaller, it's bigger, it's smaller.
I'll take it. JB's got a big one on. It must be a northern, it looks like. There's a musky on. We'll be taking our time with this. Oh, snapped off.
Fucker.
Oh.
Fuck. It was fun.
Bye-bye, musky. That was a nice musky.